Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with one more product review. Product name is LifeSite. So LifeSite is a futuristic artificial intelligence technology which automatically creates stunning website. So LifeSite is a cloud-based app where you can create the website for any niches like health, uh, finance, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing and so on. You can create numbers of websites for any niche. So you can create a website for you or you can use for your client also, so that you can provide services like creating website for your client. So there are numbers of templates, inbuilt templates are there in this software. So you can use this template and create the website for any niche you want. So here you can use your own domain or you can host your website on their subdomain. So here you will get unlimited template, inbuilt template inside. At the same time, this is SEO friendly. So inbuilt optimized SEO also you will get in this, and you will get inbuilt WordPress installer also. So most of the business can't afford this website building, as it's required heavy website developer cost, and it required hosting fees, maintenance and updation expenses. So here you can create and start your own website building business and can provide services to your client. So as you can create your website in just three simple steps. Pick any of the template as per your niche from the software. Enter the logo, business name and required information in that, and just click on the publish and your website will be ready. So you can provide the services to create a website for your client, or you can create your own website for your own product or campaign. So there are so many inbuilt templates for various website as per the niches. Like you can use this fitness and weight loss niche, self improvement, make money on internet, affiliate marketing, personal finance. You can use any of this niche and create your own website. So this software come up with the unique features. So these are some unique feature of this live site, so that you can choose 100 plus done for you website templates from this software. You need to just provide few details, and so that you can create your own website. You can create website by any niche from scratch to finish. That is also within a minutes of time. So this website will come up with inbuilt SEO optimization. You can use various themes which is already given in this software. Here unlimited hosting is included. No hosting is required. You can build the theme on your own domain or you can use their subdomain. So it's a mobile responsive website. Today I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get the bonuses from my side, which will act as an add-on for this software. You will get bonuses from my side and you will get the vendor bonuses as well. The link is already given in the description. So I will review this product. First I will take you through the bonus page, then we'll visit to the member area, and then we'll go through the sales page and price part. So let's start our review. So I will take you through my bonuses. So this live site product is going to launch tomorrow 20th July on 11 am EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. But please note that this bonus is only for limited period. These bonuses will till 31st July midnight. So grab it before that. So I'll take you through my bonuses. So this price part we will discuss once we'll go through the sales page. So here I will offer you my bonus number 1. It's a tutorial, access the high ticket mastery. In this tutorial you will learn how to earn good money from high ticket shopper. Like high ticket shopper means like some training program or some product, high ticket product. So where you will get big money as a commission. So here in this tutorial you will learn how to make a money through this high ticket mastery. So this bonus number 2 is this tutorial, accelerate your traffic with Bing. So here various hacks and strategy is given how to grow your buyer traffic by using this Bing. So various hacks is given in this tutorial. And bonus number 3 is YouTube super traffic hack. So as you know that today this YouTube is a best platform to promote any of your product. So in this tutorial you will learn how to generate traffic for your any product or any campaign through the YouTube. What are the various hacks and strategy you have to use? In step by step way, everything is given in this tutorial. Fourth bonus is reach people's inbox using Stealth. So this software is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So here, see, as it is said that money is in list. So, but creating email list is not that much easy. So you need your landing page, quiz page, and various things. But here in this tutorial, you will bypass all this learning curve, and here various hacks and strategies given how to get many emails so that you can promote your product through your email list. So this is one of the best app which you will get absolutely free as my bonus. And bonus number 5 is you will get all the vendor bonuses which is offered by vendor. So that we will discuss once we go through the sales page. So these are the bonuses which you will get from my side once you purchase this product through my link. So this is from bonus page. Now I will take you through the member area. So I have logged into this member area. So here you can see this dashboard. So on left side this various tools is given. So here you can create your new site. You can access your all the site which are existing present. So I'll click here create on new site. So here you can see the numbers of template which is readily available. You can use any of these template according to your niche. So here you can see 128 templates is there. So you can use any one of them as per your niche. So these are some templates. You can go online programming course, food blogger, business coaching, travel blogger, fashion influencer, nutrition, painter. You can use any one of these template. So here lots of templates is given. You can use as per your niche. See, suppose here I click this, I will view this fitness trainer website. So I just go through this template. So here you can go through this template. You can see these fitness templates. If you want to select this template, you just need to simply click on here, select. Once you select that templates, you just need to put your site URL. Like I'll put here some fitness. I'll put some site title. And see, I'll click on add site. So this fitness website will create once you click here add site. So as per that template, your website will be created. So our website page is created. Now I will visit this site. So see, here our website is created. So this is fully editable. So you can edit this site with the help of this live builder. So this is fully editable site. So you can change this site as per your requirement. You can change this name, fitness trainer name. You can change the description. Even this image also you can change. So as per your niche and your business, you can change the details which you have given in the website. You can change this rate, this image also you can change. So from here you can change this image, edit, select file. So you can select as per your requirement. So you can edit these also. So you can edit anything and you can make the website as per your requirement. Once you done this, you just need to click on save and done. So you have to just click on save. So once you click on save, you can publish that your website. So you have to just click simply publish. So your website will be published. So once you publish your website, you can see and you can promote your website. So as I told, so you can use your own domain, or you can host this your website on their this LiveSuite subdomain also. So you have that flexibility here. So you can either use your domain or you can use their subdomain also. So this is from this live site software member area. So here in dashboard you can see other function also. So here apart from this create new site, you can see all site. Here you can see the website which you have created as per your niche. You will go through the walkthrough videos where some tutorial is also given. So you can go through these tutorial videos. Here dedicated support is also given. If you stuck up at any point, you can contact to their support. Here some inbuilt bonus is also given. As I told, vendor is also giving some bonuses. So you will get all the bonuses from vendor side as well. So this is from member area. Now I will quickly take you through the price part and we'll discuss the price and OTO. So I will quickly take you through the sales page. So this is from sales page. So I will just go through the main parts and the price part only. If you want to go in detail, the link is already given in my description. You can go through the link so that you can go through this sales page in detail. So this is some features, some templates and details is given here. We'll check this price and upsells. So here front end price for live site is costing around $14, where you get the access to the powerful live site software and training module. Here note down, even if you purchase this front end, you will get all the bonuses from my side and vendor side. So upsell number 1, unlimited, that is cost you around $47 and downsell price is $37. So in this upsell you will get unlimited website creation and you will get unlimited domain and hosting. Upsell number 2, elite, that cost you around $47 and downsell price is $37. So here you will get unlock, done for you e-commerce funnel, and done for you blogs, and done for you speech based funnel also you will get. And in upsell number 3, unlimited local edition cost you around $47 and downsell price is $37. Here you will get done for you membership portal and done for you course portal and done for you affiliate promos. Upsell number 4, you will get live site agencies that cost you around $197 and downsell price is $167. So here you will get white label version. Just you have to add your logo, your brand name, and you can sell this product as yours. Upsell number 6, you will get this live site 1K Academy that cost you around $197. Here you will learn the done for you system and you can sell the live site on Fiverr and other portals. So here you learn how to set up the product, how to get approval, how to sell this product. So these are the price and upsell. So I'll summarize this product. So this is the cloud-based software which is based on artificial intelligence. So here you can create the website on various niches. So you just need to feed some data and your website will be created in within a minutes of time. So this is helpful for those who want to create their website on their niches, or it is helpful to them also who want to provide their services to their client by creating the website as per the client requirement. So it's a useful software to create a new website. And here more than 108 niches is available. You can create the website as per your requirement. So this is the review from my side for this software live site. So if you like this product and if you want to purchase this product through my link, so link is already given in my description. You will get the product and you will get all the bonuses offered by me and vendor site. So you just click the link which is given in the description. So I hope this review is helpful to you. So on this channel, I'll come up with various upcoming review videos. So do visit my channel and subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, just share with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.